Fulani understood that aggression is the only way to get power. Fulani understood that it is only by killings and the crisis they are going to get power. So for that reason, we will give them the exact thing they have been using to take over Nigeria from the time immemorial. From the beginning of Nigeria, Fulani have used force to create fear to take over the governance and take over Nigeria. We are not going to even create the fear. We are going to defend ourselves with the equal power. The equal power that the Fulani have used against us. We are going to use that equal power to defend our land and make sure there is no election in Biafra land next year. It is the only way out. Otherwise, like Danjuma said, you will all die one after the other.